Good evening, sir. This is Teja. This is my third program using the structures. A point on the two-dimensional plane can be represented by two numbers, an x-coordinate and an y-coordinate. For example, 4, comma 5 represents a 4 units to the right of the vertical axis and 5 units up from the horizontal axis. The sum of the 2 points can be defined as a new point whose x-coordinate is sum of the x-coordinate of the 2 points and whose y-coordinate is the sum of the y-coordinate. Develop a program that using a structure called a point to a model point. This is the new program that using of the point to a model point. Define 3 points and have their user inputs to two of them. The set of third point equal to the sum of the other two and display the value of the new point intersection with the program might look like this. Example, if I do code for this program, the if I enter the coordinates of p1, suppose I enter 3 comma 4 and for p2 5 comma 7, the coordinates of p1 plus p2, the both combination of the coordinates will be 8 comma 11 because it is an here told that the right of the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. The vertical axis plus horizontal axis of P1 and P2 plus the vertical and horizontal axis of P1 and P2. For this, I wrote the code like this. Yeah, header file and namespace and it is because it's a structured program. I introducing a structure keyword and the program name is given as COD because it's a code program and I declared the float variables as x1, x2, y1, y2 and the main block starts now into main. After in the main block I gave the float d comma e as the two coordinates. Here the formula I enter the coordinates of p1 and the main formula is c1 into x1 c1 into x1 c into x1 c into x1 c into y1 coordinates of p2 c into x2 c into y2 and the main logic of the problem is for the d c1 into x1 plus c2 into x2 for e c into y1 plus c into y2 and the last coordinates of p1 and p2 are d and e. If I compile the program, it shows somewhat error. Here asked to enter the coordinates for p1. Suppose I give the coordinates in the question they gave that give the coordinates of p1 as 3 comma 4. Like that I give 3 and 4 and enter the coordinates of the p2. In the question I add the question I give the coordinates as 5 comma 7 5 enter 7. See, the answer is proved. According to the given question, the answer should be 8 comma 11 and it is also 8 comma 11. Thank you.